Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Danielle-ish. If you've never been here before, it's nice to meet you. My name is Danielle Price and today I did a makeup look. If you want to see how I made this look, then just keep on watching. So today I'm just gonna do my makeup and I'm gonna go a little bit more on the glam side, and this is how I'm getting through being home all the time. So here we go. I'll link all the products that I use in the description box below, just like normal. I am going to just go ahead and get started, and I'm not necessarily gonna do this as a talk through tutorial. I'm just gonna go ahead and do like a silent makeup tutorial today, I think. guys, so this is my finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did make it to the end, go ahead and comment down below. I want to know who is watching. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.